Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. In this video today we brought to you Redmi Note 8 water test. After the huge success of Redmi Note 7, let's see how Note 8 will do. It comes with 6.3-inch LCD 1080p resolution. It's a brand new phone. Still check if it's working fine. Touch is working fine. Let's test the camera. Camera is working fine. Zoom the camera a bit, take some photos to see. It's all good. Just avoid the notifications. It's time to drop some water on the screen. Since it's a water drop screen designed, it should isolate the droplets. But as we can see, it is reacting with even small droplets. Keep pouring some droplets on it. Screen is fine. Leave some drop on it, a big one, and see if it reacts. Well, sometimes it does isolate, but if you pour the water more in quantity, it reacts. We keep going, keep looking. Now see if the screen is working fine. There are water drops on it and touch is alright. It's not that bad yet. So we carry on with the water test. Now we use a cup and drop a lot of water on it. It immediately reacts. Definitely it's not drops, it's pouring a lot of water by a cup, and it's very near. It's reacting. If we leave the water on it and take it to the different part of screens, let's see if it is reacting somewhere. As you can see, it's keep reacting with pouring water. Let's check after dropping all that water on the screen if the touch is working fine. It's alright. Let's test the camera, back camera. It's fine, it's still taking photo. It's alright, did not affect. We carry on, touch is okay. We drop the phone in the water. Oh, it started taking some bubbles already within 1 second. We tried another way. So definitely from charging port, it's very easy that water couldn't go inside. Let's do a quick swish. Touch is still fine. Let's do a quick dip. Touch is still fine. We keep fiddling with the phone, keep touching the screen and see. I think it's time to put a timer on and let's soak the whole phone inside. Now the timer is on, phone is inside. You remember keeping it upside down. The charging port immediately starts to take water in, but putting it flat, we can't see much bubbles. It's 1 minute. Let's take out the phone and see. It's touching. It's touching. 3D seems to be working. Touch is fine. All part of screen is working fine. Let's give a good vibe to the phone. Let's check the camera. Camera is fine. Let's check the front camera. Seems alright. Zoom. Not sure if it is screen or just. Yeah, the zoom is working alright on the back camera. Well, not being a waterproof phone, it did quite well. We will still not recommend you to use it as a waterproof phone. But you have seen the video. We hope you like it. Please let us know your comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe us. See you guys all soon. Bye.